Hello everyone, now we'll see how to view or track the responses that were filled in the form created using Google Forms with the help of BoloForms add-on. So now create a form in Google Form and click Sync Form and then click Track Signature. So you would be redirected to the BoloForm signature page and there fill in your details and click Submit. So in order to view the response that we just gave, you need to go to the BoloForms dashboard and then click Forms. So here you would be able to see the form that we just created using Google Forms and there click responses. So now you would be able to see the response that we just gave with the help of the BoloForms add-on. Thank you.